Jotono Kulungka, Chipai, Honorable CM Punno Chandra Chavatia, Honorable EM Kamal Koloi, EM Rajesh Tripura, Honorable MDC and Zonal Chairman Uma Shankar, Dinesh Debarma, all the young people here, students, dignitaries. There is someone who is coming from the Rongbashnong also. We have our CEO, of course, CK Jamateji. Bodelian Rangkhal is here, Deputy CEO. First of all, since today is a very important day for us, the ADC Council has never had any office outside Khumulung or Agartala or Tripura. And it is indeed very sad that when I see Bodoland Bhavan everywhere, Karbi Anglong Bhavan in Shillong and in Guwahati, now in Delhi, but we Tiprasas have never had an opportunity to even go to Delhi and call that place ours, because we find it so difficult. Whenever we go there, there's a problem. Shillong is a student town. All of you, all the youngsters here, you all study here. Whenever there is some problem, you do not know where to go and ask for help also. Shillong is also a place where many people come for their treatment. Negrims is here, and many people come for their treatment, and then they have to spend a lot of money staying in expensive hotels or guest houses. Most of the time there is inconvenience when it comes to food, staying. So it was very important that we take this land, which was with us for the last 30 years, almost 25 years, and make it into a transit bhavan and a ADC bhavan, a transit guest house. Our aim is not to make this place filled with people who are coming here and staying, but our aim is to ensure that when a Tiprasa comes to Shillong, at least he or she gets a comfortable accommodation. And we are also sensitive because the Rongbashnong is here, the people from the Rongbashnong is here. We do not want to make this place into an adda where people will come in and waste their time. We want people to spend their productive time here. We also have a small eating area here apart from the bhavan. There's a small hall. Whenever you have to do a conference or a get together, at least our people can sit down here and have a proper meeting. We also have a place in the project for the resident commissioner. So whenever our people, our students are having problem, at least you can have an officer here who can help our people when they get into any sort of inconvenience or trouble. I really, I was, this entire ADC, this land, मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ, ये पूरा जगह इतने साल से यहाँ में खंजर जैसा पड़ा था. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने इसके बारे सोचा था, लेकिन इनको कुछ एनओसी नहीं मिल रहा था. देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग, मिसकम्युनिकेशन. लेकिन अगर हम लोग प्यार से किसी से भी बात करें, वी टॉक विथ लव टू एनीवन, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. तो यहाँ में जो हमारे लोकल्स थे, खासीस थे, उनको मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग था. पिछले 6 महीने में माय CEO CK Jamatia, माय EMs, इवन EM PWD चित्तो बाबू, हमने यहाँ में भी किए मेनी टाइम्स. हमने बात किया और बात करने के बाद सबको समझाया. आई वांट टू थैंक मोनिका who has played a very important role in please give her a hand getting the NOC. क्योंकि I think जब conversation होता है, जब when we start talking to each other, then only people start realizing that हमारा intention अच्छा था. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आने वाले, और खर्चा भी नहीं हुआ. सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि करोड़ रुपया खर्चा होगा. हमने पूरा चीज किया है ट्रांसपेरेंटली. एंड अब आने वाले 1 साल के अंदर मैं चाहता हूँ कि यहाँ में एक ADC ट्रांजिट गेस्ट हाउस भवन बने, और हमारे जो तिप्रसा लोग हैं जिनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम है उनको एक सुविधा मिले. और ये एक मैसेज अगरतला में भी जो लोग हैं, इट्स फॉर देम ऑल्सो. अब आप हमको हल्का मत समझिए, ईडीसी को आप कमजोर मत समझिए। जो चीज पहले नहीं हुआ है हम लोग कर रहे हैं। हमने चैलेंज लिया था और हमने ये चैलेंज जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट 4.5 साल में नहीं कर सका, हमने 1 साल के अंदर कर दिया। और हमने पैसा भी खर्चा नहीं किया, हमने प्यार से बात किया, सबसे कॉन्वर्सेशन किया और बिना पैसा खर्च करके, हार्डली 25,000 खर्च करके हमने ये पूरा प्रोजेक्ट को एनओसी निकाल के हमने सब किया है। और इससे एक ही बात जाता है कि आज शिलोंग में हुआ है, कल गुवाहाटी में होगा, थोड़े दिन बाद दिल्ली में होगा, उसके बाद बैंगलोर में होगा, पूना में होगा। तिप्रासा का ग्रेटर तिप्रा लैंड भवन पूरे त्रिपुरा से बाहर भी होना चाहिए। आदमी लोगों को समझना चाहिए कि वी बुकुंगबारा लोग, वी इंडिजिनस तिप्रासा पीपल आर ऑल्सो केपेबल of doing something if you are given the chance, if you are given the opportunity and if you are given the money. Right now we have not been given that, but it was a challenge and I want to thank everyone in the administration, especially my CEO, especially my CEM and my EMPWD and officers and people from Shillong like Monica and Betsy who have helped us, Namti Taryang who is not here but who's helped us, and the Rongbashnong and the Rongbadong of this area. Thank you for helping us. We will ensure that this place is something where we will all prosper together, and we will make sure that this becomes one of the finest bhavans in the whole of Shillong. Belai no hambai, thank you, Kublai Shubha.